Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market, and I'm going to share with you what I see on the chart today. Stay with me and enjoy. We are going to start with S&P 500, and as we told you yesterday, if you go back and check the video for yesterday, as we told you, because of this morning star pattern we have gone on the daily time frame on S&P 500, there is a high possibility for that to open this week in green. And as Bitcoin has got a correlation with S&P 500, there is a high possibility for Bitcoin to start to rising again. And if you go and check the dollar, there is a 1, 2, 3 times 3 days actually tried dollar to pass through this 94.59, but it got rejected again. Is this good for Bitcoin? I think so. This is good for Bitcoin and the stock market, and this rejection is going to make another leg for Bitcoin to the upside, but we still have got the support in this area, which is 94 and 93, 80 and 94. If dollar cannot stay above this zone and it got rejected again to the downside, I think there is a good chance for Bitcoin to rise up more and more and surely past the 12,500. We are going to check the gold as well today. Gold is really doing great. I'm not expecting gold to straight away go back to the upside. I'm still waiting to this scenario happen. I'm still waiting for gold to come in more down and test this support 1825, as I told you in the previous video as well. And after that, I think there is it's not a financial advice, but I think this area, which is the end of this flag, of this falling flag, and actually bullish flag, if you say that one is better, and there is a support here. I think it's a good area for gold to, I'm going long, but I'm not telling you to do that. It's really good to buy gold in this area. Before we go and check the Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'm going to show you a quick one for the total market cap, which is including Bitcoin as well. This is 161% of the Fibonacci extension actually is really doing great, and all the market got rejected with this one. Is it a good sign or is it a bad sign? It's really hard to say that one. If you go and check the Bitcoin price for now, Bitcoin, as I told you for several times, it is in a broadening wedge, and it's working really great. I'm expecting Bitcoin to go back down in this area with this rejection. As I told you, this zone, which is 10,950, this resistance line is really good for Bitcoin. As I was telling you, this one is still keep rejecting the Bitcoin price to going to back to the downside, and with this rejection which is happened yesterday, I'm expecting Bitcoin to going a little bit lower. Maybe we are going back to test the 10,400. It's a possibility, it's not a certainty. And maybe after that, Bitcoin try to rise again and pass this zone, past this price actually, or resistance, which is around the 10,950. There is a possibility for Bitcoin to do that one. Another thing I'm going to show you, there is a bearish scenario on Bitcoin, which is not likely or to happen. I'm not expecting that one to happen, but everything is possible on the market. And if Bitcoin cannot hold this area actually, which is about 10,700 for now and 10,350, let's say that one, if Bitcoin cannot hold this area, it looks like it's still got rejecting with this middle line of this channel. Bitcoin tried that one for several times. If you check with this candle, with these daily candles, actually there is a one time, and there is a second time, and there's a third time. The middle line of this channel is actually rejecting the price of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is still trying to stay above this 10,650. If you check this one, this all weeks in this area, Bitcoin got rejected for several times, but 10,000 and let's say 10,600 10,600 area, actually it's a really good support for Bitcoin, and it's not letting Bitcoin to drop lower than that, and it is actually really good for Bitcoin. But this long rejection, which is about 10,960 to 10,620, this long rejection is not a good sign for Bitcoin. That may move the Bitcoin price a little bit lower than this, but let's see what's gonna happen on the market. The other thing I'm gonna show you, it's Ethereum one. Let's check it out. Ethereum is actually got rejected yesterday, but the thing is, Ethereum is already past this line, which is a really good sign for Ethereum to be bullish. I think it's a good area for Ethereum. If Ethereum can pass this area, and after that, first Ethereum need to pass this area, which is around the $365, and after that, this previous high, which is about $390, if Ethereum could pass these two areas, it is a really bullish sign for Ethereum, because now Ethereum is already past this resistance, and now is going back. It did tested yesterday with the daily candle, and now is going to back and start moving up again. It is really good for Ethereum if can pass this zone, which is a really good resistance around the 365, and after that, if Ethereum can pass this $390 area, it is really good for Ethereum to going back to the bullish scenario. The other thing I want to show you is actually let's check it out. But the thing is, tomorrow is the end of the month, and it's really important because the monthly candle is going to be closed by tomorrow night, and it depends when the monthly candle is going to be closed. If the monthly candle is going to be closed like that, it is not a good sign, because it's really bad red, and it's gonna be the evening star, or I don't know what you can call that, with green and red. It is like a doji one, and it is like a big red one. But tomorrow we can see the monthly candle is going to be closed. Let's see what's gonna happen in the market, if this month's going to be red or close in this area or this area. It is not a good sign, but anything can happen, because it looks like we have got a double top on the monthly time frame, and maybe it's a very bad rejection for Bitcoin. Everything is possible on the market, but let's see what's gonna happen tomorrow, and I hope tomorrow the Bitcoin price be around the 11,100 is really better sign for the Bitcoin lovers, actually. And that was all from me for today, and see you guys in the tomorrow video. Thank you so much.